If you do not watch this video until the end, you might miss the complete method for building longer and more natural English sentences. Today, I am going to share one long English sentence with you. This sentence is not complicated, but it is built step by step from small and simple phrases. At first, it may look long or difficult. However, by the end of this video, you will clearly understand how to build such sentences easily and confidently. Here is the sentence. I practice English every day at home with full concentration and strong determination to improve my communication skills. Do not worry if this sentence seems long. By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly how it is built and how you can create similar sentences without memorizing complicated grammar rules. To build correct English sentences, the first and most important thing is to understand the basic structure. Every simple English sentence follows one main pattern: subject plus verb plus information. The subject tells us who is doing the action. The verb tells us what action is happening. The information gives more details about the action. For example, in the sentence, I practice English. I is the subject. Practice is the verb. English is the information. This is a complete and correct English sentence. Now, here is something very important. If you can create one simple and correct sentence, you can create hundreds of new sentences by changing just one part of it. For example, I practice English. She practices English. They practice English. The structure remains the same, only the subject changes. Now, let us change the information. I practice English online. I practice English every evening. I practice English with my friends. Again, the structure stays the same, but the meaning changes. Now we move to the most important part, making sentences longer by adding phrases. A phrase is a group of words that adds extra information, but it does not change the basic sentence structure. Let us start with a short sentence. I practice English. Now we add a phrase that tells time. I practice English every day. Next, we add a phrase that tells place. I practice English every day at home. Now we add a phrase that tells manner or method. I practice English every day at home by watching videos. Finally, we add a phrase that tells purpose. I practice English every day at home by watching videos to improve my communication skills. Notice something important. We did not change the subject. We did not change the verb. We only added small phrases step by step. This is the secret to building long and natural English sentences. You do not need to think of a long sentence at once. Start small, then grow it slowly. Let us look at another example. Start with, she studies. Add place. She studies in the library. Add time. She studies in the library in the evening. Add purpose. She studies in the library in the evening to prepare for her exams. The sentence grows naturally. One more example. The bus stopped. Add place. The bus stopped near the market. Add time. The bus stopped near the market late at night. Add reason. The bus stopped near the market late at night because there was heavy traffic. Add extra detail. The bus stopped near the market late at night because there was heavy traffic on the main road. Again, the structure remains simple. We only add phrases. Now remember this important rule. In English, phrases usually come after the main sentence. First comes the subject, then the verb, then the main information. After that, you add extra details. If you follow this order, your sentences will sound clear and natural. To practice this method, follow these simple steps. First, say a short sentence. Second, ask yourself small questions like when, where, how, why. Each answer becomes a phrase. Each phrase makes your sentence longer and more meaningful. English sentence building is not about memorizing grammar rules. It is about understanding patterns and adding information step by step. If you master one simple sentence, you can create thousands of sentences. If you learn how to add phrases correctly, you can speak longer, clearer, and more confident English. Keep practicing short sentences first, then slowly expand them. Very soon, you will notice that your spoken English becomes smoother, stronger, and more natural.